This is the Rongta F81 portable printer. It's a thermal printer that lets you print anywhere you go. Before we get started, I want to thank Rongta for sending this out to me to check out and review. I didn't know I wanted something like this until I started using it, and now I always travel with it. Anyways, let's take a closer look at this printer. Like I was saying in the beginning, this is an inkless thermal printer that doesn't need ink cartridges or ribbons. It allows you to print on US letter, A4, A5, and B5 paper sizes. It's great for printing travel itineraries, theme park tickets, or any document that you need. There's a small LCD screen on here that gives you the status of the printer. It lets you know if you're connected by Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. It gives you the battery level, and it also gives you the time. It feels really premium with its metallic body. Its dimensions are 268mm by 58mm by 30mm, and it only weighs 450 grams, so it's really small and lightweight. It can easily fit in a backpack, so you can print at any time. It has a built-in 2400 mAh battery and charges via USB-C. It can print up to 210 pages on a single charge. It has a 27-hour standby mode and can fully charge in under 3.5 hours. Using their SoPrint app, you can print wirelessly via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi from your Android or iOS smartphone or tablet. The app supports multiple file formats, including PDFs, Word documents, and images. It's also compatible with Windows and Mac computers via USB. But yeah, let's go ahead and show how this works. Alright, let's turn the printer on and pair the app to it. Alright, so you can see here you can print images, documents, print from the web, I assume, scan print, do-it-yourself print history. Let's start off by printing a document. I'm actually heading to China soon and I have no plans, but luckily a friend gave me an itinerary for 2 weeks, so let's print that out so I can follow it. Alright, so let's go find the document first. Local files, and here, China tour. It's 11 pages, so let's go ahead and start this. Let's go ahead and hit print at the top. Since this is thermal paper, it can only print on one side, the side facing up, so let's go ahead and put that in there. Alright, that's in, and let's just start. Looks like it's going in a little bit crooked, but that's fine. Alright, let's get the next paper in. Page 2. It's gonna be a while. Let's fast forward through this. And here it is. Here's all 11 pages, printed out pretty quick. I think it was just based on how fast I could feed the paper through there, since it does it one by one. Yeah, it came out how I needed it to. So I got my itinerary for China, but let's go ahead and see how an image looks like when I print it. So I got a picture of my dog here that I can print. So let's go back. All right, I got a picture of my dogs here. I got it set up to fill up the whole sheet of paper. So let's go ahead and print that out. Let's get the paper in first. All right, and here's how it came out. Actually, it came out pretty good. I'm also a little bit biased with my dogs, so that could be it too. But yeah, I printed a theme park ticket earlier, and this is how it came out. This printer is going to be perfect for when you need to print out stuff like this, and yeah, that's really useful. I'm definitely going to be traveling with this from now on. So this is probably user error, but sometimes I had problems getting the paper lined up. This isn't a big issue, but if you're a little OCD like I am, this is going to bother you a little bit. I try to ignore it. Try. This thing is really useful, and if you do decide to pick one up, here's what comes in the box. Here's the packaging. Let's open it up. We get a few sample sheets of paper to print on. Here's the manual. It comes with this cloth bag. Here's a flash drive to install the driver to your computer, or you could just download it on the website. USB A to C cable. And finally, the thermal printer. The front opens up in case you get a paper jam. And that's everything. Alright, I'm gonna go grab something to drink and try to forget the fact that some of these prints aren't perfectly straight.